Hey everybody, it's Grant, and today I'm going to be taking you through a journey through my very volatile stock market portfolio. My portfolio has been worth as much as $2 million on the top end, and on the low end as much as $1 million. Not that $1 million is not great, but I sure could really like to keep that other million. So let's get into today's video and show you my winners and my losers. So for those of you that are just tuning in, I am a 32-year-old real estate investor. I have over 65 properties. I also am the director of a very large automotive group that has 11 brands and franchises. I also have a couple other businesses. So I started out selling cars when I was 18 years old. I started in real estate when I was 18 years old. And here we are now where the journey is just starting to take place and I'm diving more into stocks. So today, I'm going to show you not only the wins, but also some epic losses. Some things that I'm not saying I'm wrong about. I'm not jumping off the bandwagon, but I do have some remorse and some regret for not selling. So let's get in my computer and see what we can learn from my successful failures, so that way you can spend your money that much better. So here we are on my computer. Today's day was down 526 points. Today is the 10th, I believe. And so I am doing this video, might not run it for a couple days, but it's because I am looking to sell some things. So I want to make sure I do an update on my portfolio before I sell. So as you can see right now, my net account value is worth $1.5 million, just over. Total unrealized gain, $434,960. So doing well there. And then today's gain, it was up $10,000. At the very end, it dropped to almost a $4,700 loss. So right now I have it on total gain. So let's go through my losers first. So I'd like to teach you by showing you where I invested my money poorly so you can either avoid those or know better if you do the same. My first big whopper, SPXU. SPXU is a short. I've been buying it since I was younger. I've been losing money on it since I was younger. And as you can see, I bet back in March of 2020 that the market was going to continue to go down, and I was wrong. Still don't know how I was wrong, but I was wrong. All the shortages, I was wrong. All the other things, I don't understand how all the things happening didn't lead to what I thought would happen, but the stock market says, we'll be fine. We'll price it in ahead of time. So anyway, down $136,000 there. I do plan on buying more. My price paid is $59 per share. It's at $14. So it would do me some really good cost averaging down to buy another 1,000 shares or so at $14, and it'll bring that average down. So that way I can get out of it. All right. Or wait till the market crashes, which I don't want that to happen. So HMBL, I'm losing $41,000 on that. I tell you, interesting. Let's just go ahead and skip that one, but yeah, don't buy that one. SNDL. This one I have been up, down, left, and right. I'm down $37,000 here. I tell you, I plan on buying some more, and just to kind of keep cost averaging down, I have 115,000 shares of SNDL, and I really hope that it takes a turn again. AMC. So AMC, I am now down $22,000. There was many videos where I showed you I was up $200,000 on AMC. This is one where, look, I wasn't greedy. I was trying to be part of the movement. I was trying to do all these things. I do wish I would have sold AMC. However, I am still not against everything that AMC stands for. I 100% think we're still going to go back up. But I tell you, during times like this, it's been a little discouraging. But to tell you this, I plan on, if AMC continues to go down, I will cost average down and I will wait. And if I never make $200,000 again on AMC, it'll be a lesson learned. But I still believe we're going to the moon. But the reason I say I wish I would have sold, I could have bought back in at less than what I owned it at before, and that's when I get a little irritated. So yeah, now that it's below where I actually owned it at, I could have made $200,000, taken it all out, bought it back in for a whole lot less, and hopefully rode the moon again. So anyway, that happened. ENZC. I really do believe in this company. They're pretty much creating a vaccine for a certain definite terrible illness. Hopefully they can cure it. It's not a vaccine, it's a cure, I guess. And so Long story short, down 13,000 there, but I own 240,000 shares of it, 9 cents a share right now. XSPA, I could have, this is another mistake I made, I could have sold this and broke even. I don't really know why I didn't sell it, and it has taken a nearly $7,700 swing since. Terrible. BP, still a big fan of BP, down 7,000 bucks, but oil and gas and all the other things that have been going on, everything's just crazy right now. This is a cannabis stock, just like SNDL, and so I'm down a little bit on this one as well. Planning on buying it as well because, you know, I still believe in all my stock picks. OCGN. All right, I got out of this one, broke even, maybe even made a few bucks, and then I bought it back in. So I tell you, I don't learn my lesson, but at least this time I bought back in with a lot less money, and it worked out for there. So other than that, you know, I still own GameStop. I still got a few other ones that are fun. Let's go to my winners. So let's go to our total gains, because this is the reason I'm making this video now. I have owned most of these stocks, or at least started owning most of these stocks since 2020 of March, when everything started going. Probably February, late February, around this time 2 years ago, and then now March. So my long-term capital gains has already started because I hit my 1 year mark. So now I've just been waiting for the right time to sell. So SSL, many of you have commented that you've kind of followed suit. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I'm trying to show you what I do in my portfolio. So if you have $10,000, $1,000, $1 million, $10 million in the stock market, you can just gauge what you're doing off of what I've done and all of the videos I've done prior. SSL, Sasol, a company that is out of Africa and also located right here. They have a part of their company here. This shot up the last couple days. I have 9,000 shares. I own it at $5.55. Me and my ex-fiance both have made a ton of money selling it. And right here, I'm up $146,468.70. Sasol was one that I bought at $1.88. I bought it $2.26. And Jonathan, the guy that you've seen on the Pokemon videos in the past, turned 1,500 bucks into over $10,000. So hopefully, if he does sell it, we'll actually come to you with a video so you can see somebody that put 1,500 bucks in on one stock that I didn't agree with, and he hit it out of the park. So Sasol, I'm almost to $150,000. I plan on possibly selling it. It's up over 300%. Very, very interesting. So this one right here, GUSH. So this one is an ETF. It's an oil and gas ETF. So I have 1,000 shares of it at $31, and right now I'm up 82 grand. Very, very nice, over 260%, and I haven't owned it very long. OXY, I am also possibly maybe considering selling this one as well. I am now up $70,000, the biggest return I've seen on it, 220%, and I had it at 12 bucks, and I got 2,500 shares, and it's rocking and rolling at 40. But I haven't considered selling it. I just saw the gain, and I've owned it long enough. Royal Cruise Line, I'm up 61,500 bucks. I've owned it for a long time at $31, and it's coming closer to the 90s. Carnival Cruise Line has floated left and right at the same numbers. $55,000 is my profit there, and it's still hovering at $23 per share. Let's see, I got Exxon. It's at $78. Boom at $50,000. Golden. This is a company that I do plan on selling as well. So I actually bought GDEN as a mistake. And it's the best mistake I've ever made because literally, like Graham's stock picking monkey, my stock picking monkey style is up 614%. I thought it was Golden Nugget because we have a Golden Nugget here. Tillman Fertitta, that's what I thought I was buying. It's not what happened. So up 614%. My biggest massive return, $45,000 on literally a $7,000 investment. Pretty cool. You got Wells Fargo up 37,000 bucks, considering selling them as well. MGM 33,000, and just kind of so on down the line. I wanted to give you just a crash course on a lot of my stock picks, a lot of things that are going well, a lot of things that are going bad. So hopefully this video was informative to you. I do plan on selling, so stay tuned to see what I sell and how I do it. If you have been following along the journey, it has been a roller coaster of a ride. I was up over $900,000 to $1 million at one point, and now I'm still up right around $500,000, but you know, it's been a ride. The stock market has not been fun, but kind of fun. So all that being said, that's it for the video, guys. If you enjoy videos like this, please power up the like button, hit that subscribe button, and notification bell. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. I'd love to see you there. Please 100% remember that I 100% believe in you. I know you can do anything you set your mind to, and never let anyone tell you any differently. See, not like the Beast Burger one where I messed it up like 15 times. Dylan threw me off. That's all that was. And please remember, I 100% believe in you. What did I say again?
I know you can do.
And please remember, I got that beast distraction. I hope you guys have a fantastic afternoon, and I will see you, and maybe some green days on the next one. Notification bell. I post every Monday,